Hello, today I'll show you a time-saving trick I use all the time for monthly planning, and you can also apply it to weekly and daily planning. This is my February monthly spread. As you can see, I use icon stickers to mark repeated tasks like laundry and grocery shopping. So when I plan upcoming month, I don't rewrite everything, I just copy the repeated tasks. Here's how. First, use the lasso tool to select everything from February, tap copy, then go to the next month and paste. After that, erase any one-time events from the previous month. Now here's the small issue. February has 5 rows, but March has 6 rows. That means the stickers won't line up automatically, so we need to adjust them. Here's how I quickly fix it. For future months, I use this shortcut. If it's a 5-row month, I copy from February. If it's a 6-row month, I copy from March. That way, I don't have to adjust everything every time. Once that's done, I just add new appointments for the upcoming month. This keeps my calendar consistent, clean, and very efficient, and it saves a lot of time each month. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing. It really helps us continue making practical digital planning tutorials. Thank you so much for supporting 4 Little Line. I'll see you in the next video.